President ka National People's Party Conrad Sangma henen kesngi ulai kendo ya ulat ke jilla Phagu Chauhan bat Aiti ya ka Shithi yo Jingkyrshan na ki laipu Ngut ki MLA bat kamban yo thau sarkar thamai ha ke jilla. Sangma ulong baula yo ya ka Jingkyrshan na ka seng BJP HSPDP bat Ngut ki MLA Shimet bat kamru ba ka Jingdon jong ka Jingkyrshan ki MLA kan senang keu ha ki ne kisngi. Ulong ba ka jingpen ban smai kan salong ha ka por khat wei ba je min step ha ka nyau tarik mentau benai bat umintru rang ba adu ka riu Narendra Modi ula minjur ban yadon ringkat ha ka tei kasngi.
Finally got all the signatures of 32 MLAs, 26 of the NPP, 2 from the BJP, 2 from the HSPDP and 2 independents, 1 from Pakmara and 1 from Ramrai. They have all signed and given the letter of support, which I have now formally submitted to the Honorable Governor. We have just got reports from Delhi that the Honorable Prime Minister would like to be present in the swearing-in ceremony. I have been unofficially informed that the swearing-in will be on the 7th at 11 a.m.